in the mail today from Go Hastings. I got Shrek, the Blu-ray, but I'm not going to bore you with that. But I got Heroes of World Class. Really, really great DVD. I got this from Netflix a long time ago. This is the story of the Von Erichs and World Class Championship Wrestling. Honestly, this is probably the best wrestling documentary there is out there. Even if you don't know much about World Class, I mean, these guys pumped out the Von Erichs, they pumped out the Freebirds, they pumped out Kamala. Everybody ran through World Class. That was anybody, man. And it's a long documentary, 2-disc director's cut, and it has everything on here, man. This is a great documentary. You can get the ECW documentary that was done by TNA's Jeremy Borash, probably in a close second, followed by the ECW one that WWE did. But this probably is probably one of the best. You got the last Von Erich that's alive. He toured through the place that they used to have the shows right before they tore it down, and it's actually really, really sad to see him walk through there. But he talks about where his dad would hold his booking meetings and everything. But this is a great documentary. It has almost everybody you see pictured on the doc. Everybody. They really spared no expense. I don't know really how much these guys would charge to do the documentary. It's really putting them all over, but great stuff. Probably the only guy you don't get are the Freebirds, mostly because he's got the WWE job, Mr. Doc Hendrix. But this is great stuff. Like I said, 2 DVDs. The case was a little busted from Go Hastings, but you know, for getting it for a good price, $8, I won't complain. Not that hard to replace a case, but Heroes of World Class right there. CM Punk shirt, and right that's the picture that Ravi made of me stuck in the meat. Oh man, help me! I can't get out.